Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yes, today we are going to replace this double socket and a few more. The reason being, these switches are very old now, even though they function, but before, prevention is better than cure. So we'll have a nice new 30-year guarantee socket replacing these. The first step was to isolate the supply. Then it was to use a detector to make sure that this is totally dead, in other words, no electricity coming here. Then these two screws were removed and the socket was pulled. And as you can see inside, there are two sets of wires. In other words, 6 wires, 3 coming from the consumer unit and 3 going to another socket. And it's very straightforward. You got green and yellow earth, red, which is live, and bearing in mind this is the old wiring system, but it's still fine to be used these days. So brown nowadays is used for live, brown or red is live, and black is neutral. This is the old system. In the new system, it's blue is neutral. So don't forget, blue, black, neutral, brown or red live, and green and yellow is earth. So, Jazakallah khair.